Hi guys, welcome back to Collie's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how I prepared my short crust pastry dough for baking. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to Collie's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, Collie's Kitchen. The link for my Facebook page will be in the description box. Once again guys, all of my recipes are listed in the description box. Go ahead and try them out. Let me know what you think. So here I have my counter flour, and I also went ahead and add some salt. I also have my margarine, and guys, this margarine is at room temperature. You don't want to use a margarine that is very hard. It might take a longer time to break down. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and slice up my margarine. And guys, as you can see, the knife going through it easy, so you know it's at the right temperature. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna combine the flour, the margarine and the salt together, and you want to ensure that the butter, the margarine or the butter that you're using, it resembles breadcrumbs. So I'm just using my finger to crumble the margarine until it resembles breadcrumbs. Once again guys, you can subscribe to my channel. I try to make my recipes as easy and simple for you. And you could also go ahead and send me your suggestions on Instagram or Facebook. And guys, this short crust pastry dough is ideal if you're making plantain tarts, if you're even making gizzardo, or if you're gonna make apple pie, whatever you're making, this is ideal. And also guys, please note that I will be using ice cold water. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the water. Even though I have 1 cup of ice cold water, I am not going to use all of the water. So I'm just forming my dough. And guys, don't worry. If your dough is a little bit sticky, you could go ahead and add a little bit of flour. Just, you know, not a lot of flour, just a little bit to get rid of the stickiness. So guys, as you can see, my dough is a little bit sticky. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some flour over it. And after I'm finished, I'm just going to cover this and put it in the refrigerator until I'm ready to use my dough. And this is easy and simple. So as you can see, my dough is at the right consistency now. And guys, this is the end of the video. This is what my short crust pastry dough looks like after I remove it from the fridge. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try out this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.